Guys, this is the laziest, my god, that's bright. This is the laziest Sunday I've had in such a long time. I'm like just chilling in bed with the curtains still closed. It's like 2 p.m. This is the laziest I have been on a Sunday in so long. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm just going through a rut. I just spent $42 at Trader Joe's and I walked there to okay, so last time you saw me, I was in bed, as you just saw, and I just did a grocery shop, but I didn't film it because I didn't think I was going to film anything today, but I just thought it was nice to get outside and take a walk, and I put away all the groceries, and now I am feeling better because, as you saw, I was having, like, it is Sunday, so I almost feel like I'm getting away with it because it's a Sunday, but in reality, guys, I really hate feeling so unproductive and lazy, and although it does feel good at the same time as it feels bad, it's a conflicting feeling, but for the most part, I try to force myself into turning this day around. So then I thought, hey, let's turn this day around, and so I got a juice, specifically a organic carrot juice from Trader Joe's, and I don't know what is hitting, but my body was telling me to drink some carrot juice today. Like, I've never bought carrot juice in my entire life from Trader Joe's, I swear to God, never, but there's something, I looked at it and I felt like it looked right back at me and I had to buy it, and I'm drinking it, and I actually feel like life is coming back into my body. So I think I was missing some vitamins that carrots have, with got a lot of vitamin A, some potassium, and some calcium, and some no vitamin D, and it's got 4 grams of protein. I mean, good for the eyes, so I'm 4 grams of protein in this baby. So yeah, I'm feeling more alive, and I think I'm gonna turn this day around. I do look like I'm having the laziest, coziest, whatever you want to call it, Sunday ever, which I kind of am, but I'm also turning this into a day that I can feel proud of and say that I lived well today. So welcome to the video, guys. Thanks for being here.
Well, I'm on a train going to Chicago. Your big brown eyes staring out the window.
Guys, my cat has a foot fetish, by the way. You having a nice lazy Sunday as well, Theo? Yeah, you love my sock drawer, huh? You little freak. Okay guys, I just read my book. I'm still reading Project Hail Mary. If you guys watched my book videos a couple months ago, I'm just about done with it. About like 3 or 4 maybe chapters from finishing the book. It's really good. I'm super into it. I'm gonna do this though. This light is literally blinding me. Like, I see stars after I turn it off. Flowing with the cozy Sunday vibe, but also the do something good and feel productive and happy vibe all in one. So I'm turning this day around. It's still going up and up the more time I spend awake. Made my bed and changed out of my hoodie and put on a still comfortable outfit, but just a little bit more effort, just to give myself a little bit of a confidence boost. What you wear can really influence how you feel. So did that, and then made the bed, which is just a super easy thing and like just necessary. It feels nice to go into your room and look and your bed is made. Yes. So yeah, I sat here and I read my book, and now I'm going to make some food. So that is the objective to food tonight, is something healthy to make me feel good and also cozy, because I want to really feel this cozy vibe. I'm really excited for fall. I love fall. My favorite season was always summer, but I don't know, this year I'm really feeling fall. I'm really excited for it to get colder. Honestly, I was just watching that clip back and I noticed how I'm so lucky. I am so lucky to be able to even experience a lazy Sunday. Like, I know most of you clicking on this video probably are in a similar situation to me, and I just think we are so lucky and we shouldn't take this for granted ever. For me personally, speaking for myself, because of everything that I have, it feels like I need to be, taking advantage of these things and always doing the most with these things because I am so lucky to have them. But on days like today, like on a Sunday, and I just want to lay in bed all day, or I just feel really drained or really worn out from the week, and it's Sunday and I feel just very slow and very like a home body. For me, in those moments, I get to a point where I'm just like, I hate this. Like, I'm not being grateful enough for everything that I have. And I am using those things, so I just really wanted to just mention just the thought that I wanted to also put into this video, because sometimes I think I forget that this is like maybe sometimes your first ever introduction to me and who I am. And so I want to make sure that I try to remember to include some of these quips and ideas that pop into my head, because this is part of who I am, like on a genuine note. And this is a very real video, so I want to be very real with you, that I just want to say I am super grateful for everything that I have, and I don't want to come across as like, I don't even know, like me mentioning making my bed, I just thought about the people that don't even have beds, or don't even have books, or the time to sit and read, or the time to just sleep in. Like, if you are in that kind of situation, I want to help you. But if there's anything you want to talk about or mention in the comments, I'd be happy to read about them and respond to you, of course. And I just really wanted to say that everyone is in a different situation and different position in life, and I feel very grateful for everything that I have. And I acknowledge that not everybody has these things, but I wish they did. I wish everyone had beds. Does this all make sense? I'm grateful. Thank you. And I want to take advantage of that. That's why I get motivated to like turn my days around, is because I feel like I need to. Yeah. So remember that it can easily all be taken away, and it can easily all be gone so quickly. So it motivates me to then be like, okay, if this can all be taken away in an instant, then I need to take advantage of everything that I have right now in the present moment. And yeah, that's what I want to try to do. But I also want to try to just allow myself to also have a cozy freaking day, because it is also Sunday, and every other day of the week I have something to do. I'm also trying to be patient and kind with myself there as well. Meet myself in the middle and balance. It's all about balance. It's all about balance, baby. Yes. A little bit of an inside scoop into what my thinking is like, and where I'm coming from when I make these kind of videos too. And when I say I'm turning this day around, now you know a little bit more about what I mean and why, and what is motivating me to keep going and get the frick up. Get the frick up. Okay. Peace and love. Let's go. So our light is like a flash ray right now. So the reef here keeps falling off. So our reef, hold on, let me plug in. So our reef, our fall reef keeps falling off the door because I keep using little pins that don't stay in the freaking door. So I'm gonna make a new hole with an actual nail this time. So let's put it here. Okay.
Dude, it's trying to escape.
The nail bends.
Dude was literally trying to escape.
Yes, perfect. This is the reef I made. I made this last year. It's kind of tricky because you kind of just have to like balance it. Okay, hopefully that. Oh, need to fix the leg. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm editing the video in real time and this is what I'm doing while the soup is souping. What's it called when the soup brewing? Yes, that's the word. So while the soup is brewing, I am editing in real time for you guys right now, and I've gone back into wearing my hoodie. So this is what we do and while we edit, but I think it's okay. I still feel productive, so this is good. So we're gonna have to use these because all of our bowls and dishes are currently in the dishwasher, and we just started it behind me. So it's all of our bowls and dishes, all of them, I repeat, all of them are in the dishwasher, and it is in the middle of its cycle. So we have to use my baking bowls to eat our soup, but the soup is done. So we're gonna eat now. It's so good, guys. This is a completely original recipe. I've not done this recipe exactly like this before, but it turned out so good. I was inspired by the French onion soup, but obviously I'm vegan, so I had to make it my own way, and I also completely changed that recipe, but my initial and original idea that inspired me to make the soup was a French onion. But basically the only thing that resembles that soup is it has onions in it. So it's not a French onion soup at all. But it is so good, so good. It's really hot. I just burnt my tongue a little bit, but vibing. It's so good. And then we had our friends come over to play some board games, and I heated up some pizza and fries for everyone, and they all enjoyed Theo time, and we had a great time. But thank you guys for watching.
I hope you're having a wonderful day today. You're the best. Bye. Is that good?